Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be doing some Christmas bling nails. So I'm going to be doing this set on some swatches, so I just have some full nail tips set up on my little tray here. And the first color I'm going to use is Light Elegance's In the Limelight. This is from their newest winter collection. And I'm going to paint this on the ring finger as well as the thumb. Next, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going to paint this on the middle finger. Then I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Living Lavish. I believe this is from last year's winter collection, but this is like a metallic red shade. And I'm going to paint this on the pinky as well as the pointer finger. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And now this is where I'm going to go in and do a full nail of bling. So I'll be using my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And then this is a Christmas bling box from Jelly Nails 1. I do have a discount code for Jelly Nails. If you want to use it, it'll be linked down below. But I take out this big charm. It's a Santa hat. And I do use my Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm to apply the charm because it is so large, and this is a much thicker consistency than like a glue adhesive. So this is going to work way better to apply a bigger charm like the Santa hat I'm going to use. But I put a dollop of the Stay Put Jelly right in the middle of the nail, and then I apply the Santa hat right in there, and then I go ahead and flash cure that so I know that is set in place. And then to surround it, I'm just going to do a full nail of these clear rhinestones. Again, this is just a cheap rhinestone wheel, probably from Sally's or some kit I got. I didn't want to use my nice crystals for this because it's not on a real person. But this will give it the same effect. And for this, I think I just used some top coat to apply the rhinestones down. Rhinestones stay a little bit easier than like big charms like the Santa hat. So I just start with the largest size of the crystals and start surrounding the Santa hat, and then I start filling it in with the smaller ones all around till I have a full nail blinged out. And now moving on to the pointer finger, I'm going to create like a Santa Claus suit, if that makes sense. So I'll be taking Madame Glam's Perfect Black and I'm going to draw on his belt. Then I'm going to flash cure that. I'm going to go back in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going to create like his fluff around his coat, and then also around where his pant line would be. And you'll see in this that the first time I did this, the two sides don't line up very well. It does look crooked. So I did wipe off one side and then I flipped the nail upside down so that way I can kind of see and make it a little bit more even and redo that. So I wanted to leave that in the video for you guys just to let you know I don't get it perfect the first time, or sometimes even the second time. I do have to redo some designs, and that's totally normal. Now that I have the fluff on his suit where I like it, I'm going to go in with Beanie Beauty Box's Silver Leaf Gel. I'm going to use this to do the belt buckle. And so here's what the nails are looking like so far, and I did want to add just a little bit extra bling, but first we're going to go ahead and top coat all the nails. I'll be using my Madame Glam top coat today. And once the nails are all top coated and cured, I remove the tacky layer, and I'm going to go in and do a little bit of sugaring on the Santa nail. So I'm going to take Light Elegance's Marshmallow, which is a milky white. I want to use this because it's thicker than like the gel polish I was using before, because I really want it to be raised. But I take this, and then for sugaring I'm going to use Glitter Heaven Australia's Mystic Dust, which this one is highly recommended for doing any sort of winter sugaring. You need this one. But I'm just going to trace where I had the white before and put on the thicker gel, and then I'm going to sprinkle in that white glitter and give that a cure. And then here I was thinking the middle nail is a little bit plain, just white. So I go ahead and do a sweater design on this one and use the same sugaring technique as well. And so here is how the nails came out. They are definitely a lot. Like, this set is for someone who wants to go all out, full bling, in your face Christmas nails. And you could definitely take like pieces of this design and use just one as an accent and then have the rest plain. So this is definitely versatile. You can change it up and just customize it to however your client or yourself likes to wear your nails. But I thought this was really fun. I got to use one of my big charms. Unfortunately, I cannot use the big charms on my nails because I do hair full time, and big charms and hair don't go well together. It just, hair gets caught all up in it, and then I'm tangled in the client's hair, and it's not a good time, I promise you. But I did want to try to incorporate this in a design, so I did some swatches for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out my Christmas playlist. I have tons of other videos. I'll link them down below. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And subscribe. I still have one more Christmas tutorial coming up for you. Bye.